Hey guys, what's up? I'm Erin and welcome back to the channel. The year of 2020 brought about a great deal of changes, but it was also dubbed the year of the investor. 26% of Americans began their investing journey in 2020. 60% of young investors, those aged 18 to 34, started their investing journey during this time. That's an incredible amount of new money that hit the markets, and that trend continued in 2021, as investors pumped more money into the stock market in just a few months than in the previous 12 years combined. But not all that money went straight to the stock market. According to Charles Schwab, only 15% of it made its way to the stock market. The other 11% went to alternative investments. So why did so many people begin their investing journey so recently? 35% decided it was time to plan their future. Perhaps in the midst of an uncertain world, planning for their future gave them a certain level of certainty. 19% were encouraged to invest by family and friends, and these are the kind of family and friends you need in your life. 16% just recently learned how to invest, and we can absolutely say that the dialogue on investing has been opening up in these past few years. 10% said they finally had some extra money to invest, thanks in large part to those pandemic relief checks. And finally, another 10% said they started investing simply because of all the attention it was getting on social media, especially when it came to cryptocurrencies. I am absolutely thrilled there are so many new investors. When did you get started investing? Was it in the past 2 years, or are you a well-seasoned veteran at this point? Let me know in the comments down below. I post new videos every single week. I hope you have a good one. Bye.